Hey, I'm your guide to free AI tools and self-hosted tech. Every week, I test, build, and break things so you don't have to. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm installing a completely free AI agent. It can control your entire computer and fix security problems, and run on your laptop for $0.
Now let's install Hermes with a single command. While that's running, here's what's happening behind the scenes. It's setting up Node.js, a Python environment, and the Hermes command line tool. Now let's head over to OpenRouter AI and sign up. It's completely free. Go to Keys, create a new key, and copy it. That's all you need. Once it's done, run Hermes setup to launch the configuration wizard. Select OpenRouter as your provider, paste your key, and choose a free model. Let's give Hermes its first real task. I'm going to ask it to audit my entire system, check the CPU, the RAM, disk usage, running surfaces, and tell me if anything looks insecure. Look at this. Hermes just told me my system has no firewall and there are pending security updates. It's not just describing my system, it's giving me real, actionable security advice. It even noticed I only have 950 megabytes of RAM with no swap space. That's a genuine constraint it identified completely on its own. So let's take it one step further. I'm going to ask Hermes to actually fix what it found. And there it is. Hermes enabled a firewall, properly whitelisted my own IP address so I wouldn't lock myself out, applied 31 security updates including a kernel patch, and set up swap memory that persists even after a reboot. All of that from one sentence. This is exactly why I think every developer should have an agent like this running on their systems. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Let me know in the comments what task you want me to test next. Subscribe for more free AI tools.